Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to show you this really cool rainbow color text and Instagram stories that you could create to have your stories really pop. If it's your first time here, I make social media and tech tutorials 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. First, let's start by taking a picture of something. I'm gonna just take a picture of a black surface here, but you don't have to do that. You could actually change the background to any color you want. So let me just show you how to do that real quick. All you gotta do is press the highlighter right on top. And when you have the highlighter selected, with the first one selected, it doesn't matter the size of the highlighter. Pick a color you want on the bottom. So in this case, I'm just gonna choose, let's just choose black here, and then just press and hold down. And it changed it to black. So if I had it to blue, press and hold down, it will change the background to blue, and this will change it to green. But in this case, let's just start with a black background. So I'm just pressing and holding with one finger. I'm gonna press done here. Now let's go ahead and add our text. So I'm just gonna press the text icon here, and I'm just gonna type in text, and I'm gonna press done. So now we have our background, we have our text. We could just leave it in the middle here for now. Now let's go ahead and select the entire text. So I'm just holding down, pressing select. I'm just gonna highlight my entire text area. And this is the tricky part. What we wanna do is with one finger, so I'm using my thumb here to hold the purple button right here, the purple color, and I'm gonna hold the text area, the selection of the text right after the T with a different finger. And I'm moving both of them to the left at the same exact time, both of my fingers at the exact same time. And I'm gonna let go. Okay, and now I have the cool rainbow text color. So it gradually changed the color of the text as I slide my finger across the color bar. So I could go ahead and shape and size this any way I want to. And if I don't like the background, I could change the highlighter again and let me go white. Then I hold that down and go white. I could try blue and then hold it down. So I could change the background to whatever color I want depending on how this text looks. I think black still looked the best, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select black. I'm gonna press done here, and I'll resize this to kind of take a big section of the screen. And that's pretty much how you make this rainbow color effect on your text on Instagram stories. I hope you found this useful. Please share it and give it a like, and subscribe to this channel to see my tech videos 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.